Today we have a delegation from West Africa, Ivory Coast, Burkina Faso, Mali and Guinea. They have come to see what magic medicine we had that made 34 years of animosity turn into peace in a year. Nobody would expect in a year peace and tranquility would have been this good.
So we have become now brothers, live under one umbrella. We can contact each other. We can communicate each other every day in any situation. Before this establishment of this committee, we didn't communicate. We didn't have any communication. Now between us there is a love and harmony. We live together.
Tuko border ya Sololo ambao ni Kenya na Ethiopia. Tunasema tunashukuru serikali kwa kuunganisha sisi, kuungana hapa, tukufanya biashara, kuelewana. Mbeleni kulikuwa na tension kwa ati kuna vita, lakini sasa tunashukuru serikali na tunasema asante.
Sasa kama sisi kina mama tukiadvise watoto wetu tupelekee njia mzuri, tukatae mambo ya vita, kwa sababu hakuna bila mama ile vita vile anadhuru yeye, anakosa watoto wake wanakosa bana, wanakosa ile nyumba alikuwa anaishi amechomewa na anaenda square one kuhangaika na watoto. Kwa hivyo si sana wenye kuumia kwa vita, unajua mwanaume akienda amekufa, yeye ameshaenda, lakini mwenye anahangaika na watoto ni mama ambayo anapaki katika hii dunia.
There is no way Moyale will enjoy or will have such a very strong formidable structure, and yet here we are struggling. The biggest challenge in Sololo-Miyo, from where I sit, is a political challenge, because this is a very unique borderlands. We have the same community on both sides of the border, Borana community. What really made these two communities, especially the Miyo and the Sololo, to struggle for a very long time it has everything to do with politics. And for us as an organization, we are non-political. Our interest is to support our communities so that they thrive. So we had our structure on Kenyan side, established one, all of them put together. We crossed to the other side, we also put them together. Then we had 15 from this side, we have 15 from the other side. We put them together and established now one Moyale cross-border peace committee.